have a big problem because when Jahouh, Boumous, Edu returns to the team, I don't know if you watch the last match. Who player can I sit on the bench? It's very difficult for me to decision. But I need as a coach to make decisions, and every match is different. Chennai playing very different the style of play than Bengaluru, and I need to choose the best first element play against Bengaluru, but it's different match from Chennai. If it's possible, play with two strikers. I think Mambir is a striker, Koro is a striker. In some situations, the circumstance the last match, I need to change the positions some players. Brandon play in midfield, but it's not the habitual position for Brandon. If you ask me about the who player is possible to play as a midfield, Jahouh is a midfield and Brandon is at attacking midfield, or it's possible to play in left winger or right winger. No? But Mambir, for example, in the last match, the performance is very good, and I need to take the decisions if it's possible play with Koro or some change on the team.
Second time I started a game in ISL. Everyone knows this thing that Koro is the best player in the ISL. He's a top scorer. It's a tough competition with Koro. I will give my 100% in every matches to get that place.
But moving on to the same question here is, how do you see yourself in the playing 11 alongside Koro playing behind you?
I feel very confident with Koro because he's the best player and he taught me very good things about that position, and I will give my 100% in next match also. See, the FC GOA training is all about with the ball, and every Indian player want that practice with ball, and we will improve with that skill with that practice, and it's good for me also and for every Indian players to improve with the ball, and we are very confident with the ball now.